Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. In our last video, we reviewed the June SOTA B80P02 update that we received for our OnePlus 11R and 12R. You will find this review video link in the iCard. At that time, OnePlus didn't provide any official post regarding this SOTA update. But now it's live on OnePlus community with the complete details of this update, like its timeline and eligible devices. Some devices like Nord 5, instead of receiving the SOTA update, received this small patch update, while OnePlus 13R still hasn't received the SOTA update. Instead, it got the new OxygenOS 16.0.8 update. Today in this video, we are going to check out the detailed breakdown of June SOTA update and the patch update for Nord 5. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. This is official post for latest June SOTA B80P02 update. This update is available for almost all OnePlus devices. Its version number for OnePlus phone is B80P02 BRB1EX02, while for tablets, its number is B80P02 BRB3EX02. This is the first SOTA update which brought the same changes for all OnePlus devices, like new moonrise and new moonset for weather application and system stability. Once you update to this SOTA version, if you open the weather application and scroll down, here you will see these new moonrise and moonset timings with the lunar phase images of the moon. This new change will be available for all OnePlus devices which will get this SOTA update, whether it's on OxygenOS 16 or OxygenOS 13. One hidden feature that I shown in the old video is this new sports widget. We get this new sport widget in a widget section, but currently it only displays the football matches. This widget has lots of different features that I didn't show in our old video. Let's check out them. This widget will show you the live matches with the scores. If no matches are going on, it will show you the next scheduled football match. If you tap on this schedule option on the widget, it will open the browser and show you the daily date-wise schedule of football matches which are going to be played in one day. You can check the date-wise schedule by tapping on this arrow key. If you click on this standing option on the widget, it will open the complete chart of the teams with their rank in the group, number of matches they won, drawn and lost, along with the total points earned. You will get the complete details of all the teams in this chart. If you just tap on this widget, it will open the same ongoing or scheduled match page with the complete details in a browser. In this widget, if you click on this button, you can check the next matches to be played for next day schedule with the group, team names and the timings. This feature is available for all OnePlus devices which are running on the OxygenOS 16. Let's check out the schedule of this SOTA update. The update has already rolled out from the 10th of the June and will be available for all eligible devices around 25th of the June 2026. Devices running on the OxygenOS 16 like OnePlus Open, OnePlus 15 series, OnePlus 13 and 13R, OnePlus 12 and 11 series, OnePlus 10 Pro, OnePlus Nord 6, 5, 4, 3, Nord CE5 and CE4, OnePlus Pad, OnePlus Pad 2 and 3, OnePlus Pad Go 2, all of these devices will get this update. Devices running on the OxygenOS 15 build like OnePlus 10R, OnePlus 10T and OnePlus Nord CE3 series will get this update. Next, OnePlus devices running on the OxygenOS 14 build like OnePlus 9 series, OnePlus 8T, Nord 2T, Nord CE2 Lite and OnePlus Pad Go will get this update. While other devices running on the OxygenOS 13.1 like OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro are eligible to get this update. Devices running on OxygenOS 13 build like OnePlus Nord 2, Nord C2 and Nord C are eligible to get this update. I have given the list of these eligible devices in video description, but what happened with the Nord 5? This device already got the June security patch V1002 having the SOTA B80P02 and it is eligible to get the new SOTA update by 25th June. But why out of update section it got the 100 MB patch update yesterday? This update was just rolled out to fix minor issues of old version. In the old version, this device already had the moonrise and moonset timings along with the lunar phase for weather application. But new football match widget was missing in this build. After updating to new patch update, I got this widget in the widget section. T20 World Cup cricket matches will be available in the live alerts, while this widget is useful for checking the World Cup football match updates. I don't know if this widget is available for OxygenOS 15 to OxygenOS 13 devices. So users who are using the lower versions and do have the live alert support can use this widget to stay connected with the football matches. I request OnePlus team to add support for all kinds of sports for this widget in the future updates. The OnePlus 13R also didn't receive this SOTA update until now. Instead, it received this big OxygenOS 16.0.8 update, and the SOTA version number has vanished after that update, showing only EX01. Its detailed review we covered in the iCard video link. But surprisingly, OnePlus 13R already has the moonrise and moonset with the lunar phase in a weather application. Also, it has the new sports widget in the widget section. So I am curious to see what new changes OnePlus will provide for OnePlus 13R with this new June SOTA update, along with the stability and the performance improvement. I know you all are waiting for new OxygenOS 16.1 update. I already covered why this major update is delayed and what is the next approximate timeline. You will find the video related to it in the video description and in iCard. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work, then please do like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching, see you next time, take care, bye bye.